Ericsson is the industry leader in mobile, and as such we have access to unique data. We perform in-depth data traffic measurements on the world's largest installed base of live mobile networks. And we use that data to develop our networks, better offering for our customers. But 2 years ago, we decided to share some of these analysis and analysis also from other research with a wider group. What we see is that mobile subscriptions continue to grow. And in 2014, as a matter of fact, there will be more mobile subscriptions than people on Earth. And today we have 6.4 billion mobile subscriptions. That will grow up until 9.1 billion in 2018. And only in Q1 this year we had 130 million net additions. And that is more than the entire population of Japan. One key finding we see, or insight that we have, is that it took 5 years to reach to 1 billion smartphones, but it will take less than 2 years to reach to the 2 billion mark. And I think this is an illustration of how fast this industry is moving. What we see now is that LTE is growing strongly. And we now have 100 million mobile subscriptions on LTE. Wideband CDMA and HSPA actually had more net additions, 3 times more than LTE. And I think this shows that it's not about technology, it's about the network speeds. And that is what impacts the user experience. And that is what impacts the app coverage. And from a user point of view, app coverage is the area where your app works as you expect it, with the right speeds and with the right performance. So these key findings show that there's still a tremendous growth in the industry. So we see in this report that the video traffic continues to grow 60% annually. And in 2018, half of all the traffic will be video. And that is only the beginning. We will also work more with cloud, and that will put tremendous demands on the connectivity of the network. People would want to have more performance of their networks to be able to access their applications and their services. In the network society, connectivity will be key for how people innovate, collaborate, and socialize. And in the mobility report, we bring forward insights that will help develop this industry further.